Visualization doesn't work. Well, not the way that you've been taught, but the man who figured out why most people haven't even heard of him. His name was Neville Goddard, and one sentence from his book changed everything I thought I knew about achieving goals. And here it is. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Not visualize it, not watching yourself getting it, but assume the feeling already now. That one word, assume, is everything. Because here's what most people do when they actually visualize. They're watching themselves get what they want, like a movie, like a fan in the stands watching someone else score the goal. And Neville was saying, stop watching, but get on the pitch. Be the player who's already scored. And here's what that looks like in practice, and it's something that you can try tonight. Pick one goal that you're actively working towards. Don't picture yourself from the outside achieving it. Step inside of that moment of already having it. What are you looking at right now? If this is already done, what do you hear? What does someone say to you in that moment? And just give that 60 seconds. The emotion that rises, that quiet feeling of this feels real, that is the signal. That's your nervous system beginning to accept this new story of what is possible for you. And here's the science behind it. Your brain cannot tell the difference between something that is vividly imagined or something that is real. And this is how elite athletes have trained this way for decades. Now, Neville called it assumption, but neuroscience would call it mental rehearsal. A different century, but the same truth. But here's why this actually moves goals forward. When you watch yourself achieve something, you stay in the identity of someone who wants it. When you assume the feeling of it already being true, you start to think, act, and even speak like someone who already has it. And that shift in identity, that's what drives the decisions and the habits and the risks that you're willing to take when the opportunities start to show up. The goal doesn't change who you are, but who you choose to be changes what's possible for you. That's what Neville meant, and that's what nobody is saying. So tonight, just try it for 60 seconds. Don't watch your goal from the outside, but step into it, live it, breathe it. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Now, if this landed for you, then hit that subscribe button, because this is exactly the kind of work we go deep on every single week. Drop a comment below. What is one goal that you are going to step inside of tonight and assume the feeling of that wish fulfilled? If you enjoyed this, then head over to this video as well. We go even deeper into great tips and mindset tricks.